How to fix photo not saving to camera roll on iPhone. Maybe you use your iPhone to take a picture, you send some picture to your phone, but it does not save on the camera roll. There are some steps you need to take that can help you fix this particular issue on your iPhone. So sit back as you watch this video to the end. This might be the only video you have to watch before the problem is over on your device. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that you have the latest version of the iOS on your iPhone. Then go to the settings button and tap on it. Then tap on general. Tap on software update. Now wait a few seconds for this page to load up. If there is any update here, make sure you update your iPhone to the latest version of that particular iOS you are using. So that is the first thing you have to do. Doing this might help you fix photo not saving on camera roll on your iPhone. The next thing you have to do is to tap on setting as well to check what is called storage on your phone. Then once you tap on settings, as well tap on general on your iPhone, then tap on iPhone storage. So if you have less storage here, then you will not be able to save another photo on your camera roll on your video on your iPhone again. Then make sure you have enough space on your iPhone to be able to save more photos or videos on the camera roll on your iPhone. Now if you have this and yet the problem is not solved, then never give up, try. The next setting you have to do is to be sure that the apps and the photo apps and the camera apps on your device is up to date. Tap on the app store on your phone, then search for the apps here and make sure that the apps you have on your phone are up to date by tapping on the profile icon. Then tap on update here. Then you see if the camera roll apps or if any other apps is not up to date. Make sure you update this app. This might help you fix this issue. And if this issue is not fix the problem, then try go to settings button again, tap on it. Now you need to reset your iPhone. From here, tap on general button, then scroll down to the base of this page, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset iPhone. Or tap on reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings. This might help you fix this issue on your iPhone. And if you try this and it does not work, the next thing to restart your phone by pressing the volume up, volume down, power button for a few seconds until the phone goes off and put up again. Then this will help you fix this issue of photo not save to camera roll on your iPhone. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe.